Yes, so wagwan my people, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, but coming up in this video today, well basically Lady Sir is sending Andrew Holiness a very serious message. So yeah people, want to stay tuned for that. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But to know how we do the thing already, we just have to jump in at the intro and come right back. So no don't go away. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So basically people, as we said before, Lady Sir has sent Andrew Holiness some very serious message right here. So you see me I say, and basically Lady Sir make Andrew Holiness know. So watch out, Mr. Holiness, you need some holiness in your life because you're too wicked. You see me I say, and basically she make him know say, yo, you know see say you're stressed out Jamaica go under stress. You see me I say, yo, the people them a ball every day, so them poor and beating people. But here you see, instead of me they are telling you exactly what I go on in the video, me I go make you check it out for yourself and hear from Lady Sir personally. You see me I say, so here what people, just check out the video.
Is the Prime Minister here? Can I speak to the Prime Minister? Respectfully. Because the Bible said we should respect our governments. But there's a lot of time you don't know how to speak to him. So I'm going to speak to him for you. You got your phone? Call him Mr. Holness, Mr. Holness. Holness. Holness, Mr. Holness, Mr. Holness, Mr. Get your phone and call him as, hey Mr. Holness, you need holiness. And right now Jamaica in a mess. From Mobile to St. Elizabeth, the people them are all over Assembly Press. Address your Prime Minister with respect. We ready again? Mr. Holiness. And then I call him. Get out your phone. Bloggers, call him. Call him. Hey, Mr. Holiness, you need holiness. And right now the country in a mess. From Mobile to St. Elizabeth, everybody a ball on them so depressed. You know something in the Bible? You know what the Bible says, Mr. Holiness? The Bible tells we, blessed are the poor. But they are poorer than poor. From Mobile to the back to I love you. Oh, we say, hey, everybody, and no say everybody. Oh, I'm gonna be a kind of well
Hey people, me not lie, hey mama saw bad no post foot, you know. Hey people, basically, yo, you hear what Lady Sir say, yo, Lady Sir say, yo, Mr. Holiness, you need holiness. Cause right now the people in a stress. You see me, the people them are boss, say them depressed. You see me as the people and we all know say, yo, fuck that. Lady Sir also make him know say, watch out man, from Mobile to St. Elizabeth, the people them are ball out and depressed and beat, hey. But now I tell you the lie people, Lady Sir bad no post foot, I swear people. You see me I say, cause you don't know say no man, and mama saw that you know man, you see me. And basically people, although it is not the real original hardcore dancehall, it is gospel in a fair way. Me I tell you say, yo, you see to how mama saw deal with it. I know nothing normal, you see me I say. But you don't know I one and only queen, you know, you see it. Basically people, me not telling no lie, me love the performance. You see me right now, basically on the woman side, you don't know a Lady Sir take it show. You see me I say big woman thing. She a massacre, cause you don't know say I would a massacre take it on the man side. You see me I say viewers and subscribers. But here you don't know how the thing go. Just drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section and make me know what go on. You see me I say, tell me what you all think about this performance with Lady Sir. Cause me not tell no lie people. It fiery. You see me I say. But you don't know how we do the thing over here. You see me. So you don't know, as I said before, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like. Yeah, just give it a look like now people. Thank you very much because you have come to this far in the video and I thank you very much also. You see me I say, also you don't know how the thing go. You see me share up the content, you see me, so that others can be in the know. But as I say people, you don't know always. Peace. I'm out.